Express 17 meters as a percentage of 2 kilometers and 40 meters. 2 kilometers, 40 meters. This 2 into 1000 meters plus 40 meters, which is 2000 meters plus 40 meters, which is 2040 meters. Express 17 as a percentage of this, that is 17 divided by 2040 into 100. Express 3 as a percentage of 5, 3 by 5 into 100. Express 11 as a percentage of 44, 11 by 44 into 100. Express 17 as a percentage of 2040 meters, 17 meters by 2040 meters into 100. 17 by 204. 17 into 6 is 102. 17 into 10 is 170. 17 into 11 is 187. 17 into 12 is 204. This is 1 by 12 into 10 percentage, or this is 5 by 6 percentage. Choice A.